I'm Amy Wagner with your Allworth advice. If you're worried about not having enough money in retirement, maybe you need to take the 70% challenge. When people try to answer the age-old question, how much money do I need to retire, there's a whole lot of answers. One rule of thumb, you need to replace 70% of your income in retirement. You can count Social Security, savings, pensions, passive income, it doesn't matter. Just figure out what you make right now each year and see if you'll have 70% of that coming in once you retire. First question, is this enough for you? That's where the 70% challenge comes in. Try to live on 70% of what you make right now. That means you need to make some cuts to your budget, but that's going to be what happens in retirement more than likely. You might want to downsize to something more modest. You can certainly look at cooking at home more. According to Wellio, having food delivered to you is 5 times more expensive than cooking at home. Now's a good time to cancel subscriptions you don't really use. Here's the Allworth advice, and while you're living on that 70%, try to save the other 30%. Whether you do it for a month or make it a normal part of your routine, that extra 30% will come in handy later on when you do stop punching that clock. With your Allworth advice, I'm Amy Wagner.